Introduction to Filtering Bill.com API SDK. Filtering the Bill.com API SDK allows you to narrow down data to specific information you need, which can improve performance and reduce unnecessary data transfer. In this guide, we will walk through the steps to filter the Bill.com API SDK. Step 1. Understanding the basics. To filter the Bill.com API SDK, you need to understand the basics of the API and its endpoints. The Bill.com API uses standard HTTP methods to interact with the API, such as GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. Each endpoint accepts query parameters that can be used to filter the data. Step 2. Choosing the right endpoint. The first step is to choose the right endpoint for the data you want to filter. For example, if you want to filter invoices, you would use the invoices endpoint. You can find a list of available endpoints in the Bill.com API documentation. Step 3. Using query parameters. Once you have chosen the endpoint, you can use query parameters to filter the data. Query parameters are added to the URL of the request and are used to specify the filter criteria. For example, to filter invoices by date, you would add a query parameter such as date_GTE to specify the start date and date_LTE to specify the end date. Step 4. Available query parameters. The available query parameters vary depending on the endpoint, but common query parameters include id, name, date, and status. You can find a list of available query parameters for each endpoint in the Bill.com API documentation. Step 5. Combining query parameters. You can combine multiple query parameters to create more complex filters. For example, to filter invoices by date and status, you would add multiple query parameters to the URL, such as date_GTE and status. Step 6. Best practices. When filtering the Bill.com API SDK, it is best to use the most specific query parameters possible. To reduce the amount of data transferred, you should also use pagination to limit the number of results returned in each response. Conclusion. Filtering the Bill.com API SDK is a powerful way to narrow down data to specific information you need. By understanding the basics of the API and using query parameters, you can create complex filters to retrieve the data you need. By following best practices, you can improve performance and reduce unnecessary data transfer.